Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Des, your MukapGirl, and sa video na to, magre-review tayo ng isang mascara. So, I have here the Bilena Volume Curl Waterproof Mascara, and if you want to see kung paano mag-perform tong product na to, then please keep on watching, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So, ito na nga yung aking mascara. It's the Volume Curl Waterproof Mascara from Bilena. And meron dalawang variants to. The other one is pang-lengthen ng eyelashes. Pero I got this Volume Curl variant because I believe yun yung mas gusto ko and mas kailangan ng eyelashes ko. Volume and curl. I got this for 140 pesos and I have been meaning to review this pero hindi ko lang magawa last year. So, ngayon, ito na siya. As you can see, wala na yung original packaging niya because nagamit ko na to before and na-road test ko na rin to. Pero, meron lang siyang plastic seal and dun sa plastic seal na yun, makikita mo yung ingredients, yung mga manufacturing details, and all that jazz. So, yung component niya, ayan, pink yung cap and black yung katawan. And this is very reminiscent of the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Of course, merong konting pagkakaiba because lighter yung pagka-pink ng Maybelline and metallic yung cap niya. Pero, tingnan nyo, nakikita nyo ba yung ibig kong sabihin? Medyo magkamukha naman sila, diba? Anyway, if you open the mascara, ganito yung itsura ng wand niya. Medyo mataba siya, guys, and pabilog. And as you can see, wala siyang curve katulad nung sa Maybelline. And so, ayan siya. So, at this point, wag na nating patagalin and itry na natin siya on my eyelashes. But first, let me just curl my lashes. Because, yun naman yung ginagawa ko tuwing nagmamaskara ko. I curl my lashes first. Now, let's apply one coat of this mascara. Okay, so there's one coat and as you can see, mas kitang-kita na yung lashes ko dito, 'di ba? Compared dito. And na-retain niya yung curl nung aking eyelashes. Ngayon naman, lagyan natin ng pangalawang layer and see kung gaano siya ka-buildable and kung magka-clump na ba siya. So, this is the second layer and still, hindi pa naman siya nagka-clump. Mukha pa rin maayos yung lashes ko and na-retain pa rin yung curl. And I love this product kasi talagang napapatayo niya yung aking eyelashes. So, this is with 2 coats of the mascara and ito yung walang coat. Now, let's use this naman dun sa lower lashes. Medyo mahirap lang to gamitin sa lower lashes kasi nga, ang taba ng applicator. Pero we'll still use it anyway for the sake of this review. And this is the first coat. Okay, so ito yung aking lower lashes with 1 coat of the mascara. And ito yung walang coat. And as you can see, kahit pa paano nag-show up na yung lashes ko dito sa side na to. Let me do another coat. So, ito na yung lower lashes ko with the second coat. And as you can see, feeling ko nagsi-spider legs na. Oh my gosh, I'm back. Nagkaroon ng technical problem, nalobat yung phone ko, namatay. Tapos, kanina pa ako salita ng salita, hindi ko pala na-press yung record button. Ang galing ko talaga. Anyway, ito na yung mga kaganapan. I-recap ko na lang dahil hindi ko na maibabalik ang nakaraan. So, ito nga yung side kanina with 2 coats of mascara, 'di ba? And then, pagbalik ko, sabi ko, gusto ko i-push yung limit netong mascara na to. And so, naglagay pa ako ng 3rd coat. And ito na yon, guys. Ito na yung 3 coats of mascara. As you can see, okay pa naman yung mascara dito sa taas. 3 coats na yan, pero very minimal lang yung clumping. And I still like the way it looks kasi na-retain niya yung curl and hiwa-hiwalay pa rin naman yung aking lashes. Hindi naman ganun ka-terrible yung pagka-clump. Kasi nagkaroon lang talaga ng volume yung lashes pero hindi naman masama tingnan yung pagka-clump niya. Doon naman sa lower lash line, ayun, yun na yung medyo pangit tingnan yung pag-clump niya kasi kitang-kita na nagdidikit-dikit yung mga hair ko and mukha na siyang hindi natural. Siguro with eyeshadows and eyeliners, okay tingnan tong ganito pero on a bare eye, hindi siya maganda tingnan. And then, yung sunod kong ginawa after mamatay yung phone ko, sabi ko, itatry natin yung curling abilities nitong mascara na to. And so, naglagay ako ng 1 coat dito sa eye na to without using an eyelash curler. And ganito yung naging effect niya. And this is 1 coat of this mascara. Again, hindi ako gumamit ng eyelash curler for this eye. And this is 1 layer of mascara. And as you can see, medyo mas nag-appear yung aking lashes and somehow meron curl, but mas pack pa rin yung curl nitong side na to. Okay, now na na-recap na natin lahat ng pinagagawa ko na hindi pala na-record, gawa na natin ng second layer itong eye na to and see kung mas magka-curl ba siya or magka-clump na siya. So, this is the second layer. Mas nag-volumize, pero hindi pa rin siya ganun ka-curled like this one. Pero it still looks good. I-push pa natin and let's do a third layer. Ayan, nagsimula na ang clumping, guys. Hindi na siya maganda tingnan. Mukha na siyang spider legs. Pero ito maayos siya tingnan. This one, though, I cannot say the same. So now, let me just finish this lower lash and I'll be right back for my final thoughts. Before ko ibigay yung aking final thoughts, i-test muna natin yung pagka-waterproof nitong mascara na to. Ayan. So, as you can see, nahawak-hawakan ko siya and it's smudge-proof. The curl is still there. Smudge-proof naman siya, guys. So, you don't have to worry na kunwari matouch mo yung mata mo or kumate siya and gusto mong kamutin. It's smudge-free, hindi siya kumakalat. And as far as yung pagiging waterproof niya is concerned, let's try it on my hand. So, this is the mascara. Tapos, maglalagay din ako ng swatch nitong EB Advanced Lash Define Waterproof Mascara para lang makita nyo yung difference. So, ito yung Bilena Volume Curl and ito yung Lash Define Waterproof Mascara. Patayuin lang natin for a while and then i-test natin kung talagang waterproof tong Volume Curl Mascara and itong EB Lash Define Waterproof Mascara. Alam ko na yung magiging result nito pero gusto ko lang i-show sa inyo. So, ayan, I believe to you na to. And again, ayan, smudge-proof sila pareho. Pero, ang tanong, waterproof ba sila pareho? So, ayan, para sa waterproof test, meron akong baso ng tubig. And, ididip ko na lang yung kamay ko dito, guys, ha? And, ayan, basa siya. Tingnan natin. So, ito si Volume Curl. Ito si EB Advanced Lash Define Waterproof Mascara. And, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Si Lash Define Waterproof Mascara, alam nyo guys, hindi talaga siya waterproof. Hindi siya waterproof. Yun yung napansin ko sa kanya. And yun yung nag-fail ako i-mention dun sa review ko sa kanya. Kasi na-review ko na yung Lash Define Waterproof Mascara before. And I loved it. I liked it. However, hindi siya waterproof. Hindi siya true to its claims na waterproof. But, itong si Volume Girl, i-try natin siyang i-smudge. See? Hindi siya natatanggal. It truly is waterproof. So, that's what I like about this mascara. And so, for my final verdict, I have to say that I really love this Bilena Volume Curl Waterproof Mascara. Una sa lahat, it really is volumizing. As you can see, ito yung aking eyelashes. It's very voluminous and kanina hindi naman siya pansin na pansin without the mascara. Pero after 3 coats of this mascara, actually even 1 coat of this mascara pa nga lang, nag-show up na yung aking mga lashes. And so, eto naman, 3 coats. It's too much. It's pushing the limits pero hindi siya masyadong clumpy. Of course, yung lower lashes ko is a different story altogether. Pero itong upper lashes, ang ganda niya guys. Brownie point number 2, kapag maayos yung pagkaka-curl mo ng iyong lashes, this mascara retains that curl. And ayan, nakita nyo naman, nakatayo talaga yung lashes ko and hindi nawala yung curl even with 3 coats of the mascara. Brownie point number 3. This is really waterproof. Alam nyo guys, sinusuot ko to sa gym and hindi siya nagsismudge even if sobrang pawisin ko. As in, sobrang pawisin kong tao, tumutulo talaga yung mga pawis ko. Pero this one, hindi siya nagbabudge, hindi siya bumibigay, hindi niya ako iniiwan. Brownie point number 4, this mascara is super affordable. For the price of 140 pesos, magrereklamo ka pa ba? Ganito na nga yung effect niya sa eyelashes mo, diba? So having said all of those, masasabi ko that this mascara is MukapGirl approved. So there you go guys, we've reached the end of this video and sana nakatulong tong review ko sa inyong pagdedesisyon kung bibilhin nyo ba tong mascara na to or hindi. If you think this video was helpful, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you still haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram at MukapGirl. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
I just wanna be part of your